Yo guys, what's up? Things in my hair. Tonight we're going out. I guess I just gave vlog for tonight or the weekend. Right now, I gotta go pick up my road manager and me and go the road. So let's see what happens. This is the fit. I mean, none serious. So easy. Keeping it light tonight. You know what I mean. We'll see you when we get in the car on the road for the road manager. Yeah guys, just link up the road manager. We're out here, we're going the road now.
No, that look good. How many want to look good in that one?
So yeah guys, just pick up the road manager.
Yeah,
we're out here, so we're going to go my bridge and bar grand opening, and then we'll see wherever else tonight take us. Is it trouble?
Out here.
Somebody please explain to me on a Friday night, why you want to decide for the day?
These niggas though.
That's crazy. Still out here on himself. Trouble.
Yo, sing.
Custom whip y'all.
Yeah man, police. Road manager. Yeah guys, out here at Sweet. Brother, me a vlog dog. One here dog.
The one dog get bust by you. Mad.
The dog no one get the views then. Or it's like Shabas. Fuck your face. John, police come and try to lock off the show.
It's just a Friday night vibe thing, son. I know you love your
John, the police lock off the show.
Wait, hold on there. Check out ODND stuff while YouTube exists.
So check the description.
It's embarrassing.
Yo, gang trap move. Oh, black. What you done now?
Wait. Yo, Appleton, you need to give you like something.
We need a sponsorship for real.
Sponsorship for being a drink.
Sponsorship Appleton. Appleton, you not sponsor again? I'm more
You
chasing.
need to sponsor with Appleton. You know how much liquor we buy?
We spent $1 million on Appleton already.
We've been to the estate for real. Them people know. I'm there to tell you.
What appointment then?
I'm going to link a professional roller on that day there. I said, look up. Please. God forbid the dark part, but more than a vomit. Every minute
Why you can't celebrate somebody like him? Why is it that you have to keep a funeral where everybody's
sad and I cry.
What's the point?
You want the microphone
right now.
What's the point? What's the point?
I had a camera, but I made them understand.
That's true.
Yeah.
The vibes can't done.
We must have gods in the dog, we are kings in the dog, we have royalty in the dog.
But the fuck said,
No, life are the greatest thing. We can't run down there. I'll do life from with bills and everything, and I still come and money. You see me? So we stay and lick on the dog. So we still enjoy ourselves down budget. Yeah, dog. We still not gonna commit suicide, brother. But we know ourselves next. I just hope for the money. Left back on earth and I feel it, brother. Cause I know I say nip and all of them man there, but them figure split and do them thing over some. Not free dead again, because they done that. They just live their life. So yeah, I feel like the perfect time to go is when they impact the world and show them.
On the road as usual. Corey Guns, you know. So yeah guys, that was Sweet 15. Yo, road money, road grind.
No, money even no money.
Alright, so 100. Oh, that's fire. Alright, so we're going up 100 right now. Let's see what going.
Out here at 100, but not really going. With William, the god, Josh, the press box, the dog 2 press right now. This road manager. Come.
Rough up yard, young juvenile living like a job. Don't be do me, rough up foreign, rough up yard, young juvenile living like a job.
We're out here in the studio on our way to Mecca. Going, yo, what keeping tonight? 865.
I don't even know it name.
One of them thing there. Out here with Miss Pottinger. Road manager still there.
Let's go somewhere straight, yeah, be straight.
Put in the next lap now. Put in the next lap now. Turn.
Yeah,
Yeah, alright. See there?
yeah, straight now, boy. Yeah.
Now,
Go buy some gun. Now. Yeah. Keeping lifestyle is alive, me a talk about. House on the hill, Benz truck park up. What they call the audio to this?
Here on our way home now. We went to Sweet 15, then went to 100, then went to Mecca, the club, and then we did Dullicky Road, you know that already. Now I'm on my way home. Yeah guys, so big up, that's the end of tonight's vlog. Hopefully we'll continue tomorrow. We're supposed to be going forward. You know, Sing Zima out. Day 2 of the vlog, we're going forward. And then we'll probably go Spectre Club.
Oh,
Because it's his birthday today.
Ooh,
So,
exactly.
probably go celebrate Spectre birthday. I'm here with Jordan right now. And yeah, baby.
Picking up somebody else. Alicia is here now.
Okay, but I'll give
Alicia is here. Road manager the boat. Hey.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. So yeah, we're kinda late, but we're kinda early.
She gave me a nice deep throat. You know, say don't put.
Yes, Mr. Road Manager. Trouble. Yeah.
Step out now. But the people let me see what I go on now.
Yeah, man. So everybody decide to step out now.
No, no fuck.
So yeah, we're out here. You know the graphics.
No, then
We're out here. We're going forward now.
so them really that test all chicken.
It's not that easy. Anyways, ready. Guys, boat before forward. We'll have to link up with Barton, the god, as usual. You see it, so we're here chilling. Everybody else is in the car right there, chilling. So yeah, we're out here.
Alicia, come here. Hello, some flat bumper, flat like the walking way.
Say yo, sorry for the gap. I'm home now. Need to get some food in my system so I don't pass out.
Hey guys, so I forgot to film my outro. I was too tired to film it. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what kind of videos you want me to post next in the comments below. And we'll see you next week Wednesday.